Deel, a global payroll and compliance platform, has acquired Atlantic Money, a UK-based fintech specializing in international money transfers. This strategic move aims to strengthen Deel's payment capabilities and expand its global reach. Atlantic Money, known for its low-fee model, has quickly gained traction in the market. By acquiring this promising fintech, Deel aims to enhance its payment infrastructure and offer even better services to its customers. This acquisition highlights the ongoing consolidation in the fintech industry and the increasing importance of cross-border payments. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to TheFinRate for more news and latest updates.